Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can easily choose email templates for your campaigns in Mailchimp. So when you're gonna create a campaign, when you're gonna all campaigns, and you would I don't know, edit the campaign that you got, and you would choose the content here, you will get, when you're gonna start campaign, you're gonna see here select a template, right? And you want to click here on themes, and right now you can choose multiple themes for your template. And I don't know, this one here, upgrades to use for e-commerce. You can really choose which one you want. That's and then you can edit it and use it, and you just change what you want. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much everybody for watching, and have a great day and goodbye.